Ông đi một quay vứt ở nhà.
Hello, welcome to Japan on a Go. This is my car and I think that today is a perfect time for cleaning. And all together with me today, there are some other neighbors. Hopefully they will spend time for it today with me because do cleaning. I feel a little bit lazy, but if I do together with some other people, I have more energy to do so. Now I'm ready. He may change the new tire today. And he checking the information of the tire. This is Honda Life. In every morning, the roads are icing, so somehow it's really slippery. We need to be more careful or change the tire that's specially used for the tire. We have already prepared two buckets here. One that I'm going to use first, the black bucket, and the blue one I'm going to use it later after I have the first cleaning. I have just finished one other side over there, and this is the second side of the car I'm going to clean. I rarely clean the car because driving here in Japan, there's not so much dust, and that reason why the car look clean all the time. And in the usual days, I take the car to the cleaning service. In every gas station, they have a cleaning service, so it's very convenient to clean your car. But here today, I have holiday, quite a long holiday, so I want to care my car by myself. And yeah, it's a heavy work. That reason why I asked my neighbors and a friend coming over to do together. This is my second car in Japan. I started driving with a small car, 4-seat, but then when the other member of my family came in Japan and lived together, and that reason why the 4-seat car is not big enough for all members, and that reason why today I got a new one. In fact, that I bought this one around 2 months ago, and it's so convenient. The engine capacity is not so strong, but then it's, I think, that affordable car. Big enough, and gas consumption is very saving. Well, that's the reason why I really love this car. Buying a used car in Japan is very easy. You can find every garage, every shop that they offer you very reasonable prices, and you can choose a good one. Or you can buy many other used cars from Facebook when people they advertise a lot there. And the paper converting from the old user, the old owner to the new one is very easy. Just only change the name of the owner in just only 1 hour, and you can really transfer it from the old user to the new one. I think that it's good for a driver here in Japan, because driving in Japan is really much safer comparing to in Vietnam, because that all the cars really follow the rules. The driver do not often jump the light, and they are separated lanes, so just keep driving in your own lane and you avoid the accident. And the speed limit in Japan, you cannot drive more than 50 kilometers per hour, and that reason why your car is always in a very low pace. Very low pace, and then you can really control yourself very well. And here the law is so strict with their alcoholic drivers. They're gonna be in prison if they cause any accident, even that a -1. So I highly recommend that driving without alcohol, or drink alcohol and then no driving. That's really easy rule. But in my country, as you know, that when people drink beer, alcohol, they drive faster, and it causes a lot of accidents every year. The next step I will clean is cleaning the tire here. And after all, I will have a dry cleaning for the last step. After cleaning all, I will use the wax to cover up the cover of the car, because that will keep the car look clean for at least a few weeks, because the wax really get the cover against dust and rainwater things, I guess so. And also I use the wax for the tire as well. But first of all, I need to clean it, wash out the dust. Now, here we go, another tire over there. Now the next step is to wax the tire. This is a leather and tire wax. How does it work? Try to avoid spray inside this one, because your brake will not work properly anymore if you spray inside. Just only the outside only. Last time cleaning, like for example here, I still see some dust here. Just clean it up for the last one, because when you do cleaning, somehow you cannot really see everything. Today is a sunny day, so very good time for cleaning work. This is the car cover cleaner that is useful for the steel cover and also the glass here. So I'm going to recheck again for all glasses. This is not clean enough. I'll try to use this cleaner one more time. Now let's check the interior. If it's clean, I'm not going to spend time for it. But if it's not clean, so I think that I also need to vacuum. Wow, dust here. So I think I just only need to vacuum it. Still look clean because that I don't eat and smoke in the car, and that reason why I still keep my car clean enough. This is the car vacuum cleaner. First of all, I need to check this one clean or not. Yeah, the dust, all the dust here from inside. When this filter is full of dust, your cleaner cannot really work properly anymore. So before using it, I need to clean up. Now I'm vacuuming the interior of the car. That's it, the last work for today. Here, boss. If you find any dust anywhere in your car cover, you can clean. Okay, let's go. See, he's 4 years old now. He looks so professional. You see. It's still clean. Yeah. It's okay. Nice over. Okay. Here's her car. And she wants to clean the tire. She had two cars, one big car over there, the black one, and one smaller one here. She like to use this tool, and I recommend that she can clean her own car.
Chi kìa, chỗ này vướng nè.
Rồi lên nè.